Hello, my name is Andrew Bossy, representing Group 3, and we are working on the Redfish Telemetry client. Today I'll be going over our Artifact Review 4, and this encompasses the end of Sprint 6 and the entirety of our shortened Sprint 7. In Sprint 6, our goal was to add installation documentation, add metric report subscription method, improve the data generation in dashboard UI, and organize our product and finally find a name. So if we navigate over to our GitHub repository, you can see that we have documentation for installation in two separate places. One is going to be in the root of our repository, and another data generation specific README is going to be here, and this will go over all the installation steps for our data generator. We've also, if we navigate to our homepage, we've added a subscription retrieval method. So this is how the user would like to retrieve their data, and they can pick from one of these three. And on page submit, this will get sent via JSON to the back end. We have also improved our data generator UI. So if we navigate over here to data generator, we've presented the user with the ability to enter their time, a configuration file. This does default, but can also be a file of their choosing, and the reporting interval for data generation. We've also settled on a name. Our data generator side is going to be called Redfish Modeler, whereas our front-end UI is going to be Redfish Insight. Moving on to Sprint 7, our goal there was to finalize configuration files, categorize our UI dashboard metrics, improve the user experience for the data generator tool, and now allow dynamically selected Redfish IPs. So navigating back to our landing page, the user is presented with a new option to enter an IP address, and this is an IP address of their choosing for data retrieval, which also gets sent via JSON to the backend on page submit. This entire page as well has undergone significant user experience changes. On page load, previously existing data metrics that a user chose in the past will be automatically loaded onto the page upon them coming back to the landing page. The user is also presented with a dynamic list that when you select a new metric, it will automatically update this page here. Deselecting works as well. We have changed the user experience of the data generator tool as well. So now we have a second page that is in progress, named RF Modeler. And this allows the user to come in and customize the data generating they would like. So they can come in and they can give it a name, they can give it a path, they can choose a specific pattern, add a delay, minimum, different steps they can come through. And then they're also able to do the same things that they were previously as well by entering time, a configuration file, and reporting interval. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great evening.